What's up guys, it's Cody. So for this week's video, I'm going to be comparing Simplify3d and Astroprint. So Astroprint has had a website, online version of a software for a couple of years now. And Simplify3d is a downloadable program that you can buy online. But recently Astroprint has released a desktop free version of their software. So I've used some, so I'm going to be comparing these two softwares together. As you can tell, each of the software is attractive in their own features. For example, Astroprint is free, which is helpful for a lot of beginners to 3D printing. But while Simplify3d is $149, it also offers a lot more features. I think I used to print a lot when I first started 3D printing, but then once I got the basics done out of the way, I gradually moved into Simplify3d, so I can do multiple processes like layers or different colors of prints. Okay, so the first one is Astroprint. So I've loaded a 3D model into it, and you can see right here. So I changed the build platform to select many. So it's pretty much good for the basic stuff like this. And this is obviously free software, so you're getting what you pay for. So now that it's stuck on scale, you have to go back to position if you want to change it. So yeah, there's no menu right here, so you can do a process. You can select material right here for like ABS or PLA, but you can make your own temperature and stuff like that. And then settings. That's pretty much it. There's not a lot of settings to go by besides the basics, the notch diameter, number of extruders here, bed. So if you want to do advanced settings, go get customized slicer settings. That's where you can change your layer height, fill thickness, infill speed, all that kind of stuff. And then go back to print bed, you can click print. It doesn't do anything because it's not connected to the computer, because it's not connected to the printer. So what you have to do is have to go to File, save build plate as. No, that's not it either, so don't really know what happened to it. Okay, so here's Simplify3d. Okay, so here's Simplify3d. This is my main slicer software for right now. And it's also expensive if you're beginning. And it's also expensive if you're beginning in 3D printing. It's not cheap, it's about $149. But that's for one-time payment and you get to use it forever. And a lot more tools and stuff you can use. I haven't figured them all out yet. But right now, as you can see, I got the new master build platform right now, so I can click on the process, go to model price ABS, click OK, then it changes and you can hit center and arrange. So now you got, click on that, you got your position with the object. You can scale it up or scale it down, or you can change the rotation right here. Then you got the processes. You have more than one. You have, for example, 2 extruders, or if I want to set the print halfway. But right now I got it set to one whole print. Then you can go into the process and you can change the retraction speeds, extruder, layer, additions, infill, support pretty much anything you want to. Then here's you can add and delete your processes. And then one thing that I found useful is you can do custom supports right here, so you can generate automatic supports, or you can add or remove supports. We'll create all supports. Then you can go to prepare print, which is also a cool feature that Astroprint doesn't have. So you can see it on the build plate. It gives like a legend right here, so you can see what all the colors mean. And then you can click play, and it shows you layer by layer how the print's going to turn out. And you can see the infill percentage right here too. This is about 45%. That's a cool feature I found. And you can print over USB, which I haven't used yet because new Master uses G-code, and then my own price I can use an SD card. So I haven't really used that yet, but I'm hoping to use that in a future video to do like lab tracking with this right here. Right now, I think the big disadvantage with Astroprint is that since it is free, you're getting what you pay for. So it does have some bugs in it. And Simplify3d, obviously it's expensive, but also has a lot of features I haven't tried out yet. But if you want to know any more about this software, leave a comment down below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week.